In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can scan your FreeStyle Libre sensor much faster with your phone and save so much time. So scan your sensors and let's go! Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tom. I've been type 1 diabetic for over 30 years, and on this channel I help you navigate your diabetes journey. Guys, this week I learned a new hack in one of the FreeStyle Libre Facebook groups, and I'm so excited to share it with you because it literally made my day. This hack will save me so much time and energy when scanning my sensors with my phone, and it's so simple. I wish I knew this hack earlier. So let's get right into it. I use the FreeStyle LibreLink app on my phone most of the time, and I really love it because it means that I don't have to carry the Libre reader with me all the time. What I used to do when I wanted to check out my blood sugar was I had to open my phone, I had to locate the LibreLink app, open the app, click scan the sensor, and then put the phone next to my sensor to know what my blood sugar is. I know this only takes a few seconds, but if you have to do it multiple times a day, it becomes a bit annoying. And just later this week I realized you don't have to open the FreeStyle LibreLink app at all. If you have an iPhone, you just place your finger on the app icon and a small selection comes up where you click scan sensor. And then you just place your phone next to the sensor and get your reading. It's so much more convenient. If you have an Android phone, you actually don't have to do anything. You just place the unlocked phone on top of the sensor and it will scan right away and show you what the blood sugar is at that moment in time. It's like magic, it saves so much time. Why the heck did I not know this? And by the way, you can scan with the phone from both sides. You can scan like this, and you can also scan like that, which I also did not know, and I learned that in one of the Facebook groups. So really good stuff. I'm so excited this week about these two things that I just found out. If you want to learn more tips for FreeStyle Libre, click on the playlist on the screen now, or click here to watch another video of mine. Thank you again for your support, and I will see you in the next Type 1 Talks video. Ciao!